Hi, in this training, we're going to go over how to create a new news story. Let's go ahead and click open the home item and find the section we want to add this news story in. For some editors, it's going to be in news and events and then news. For most spotlight page editors, such as journalism and diversity, you're going to have your own unique folder where you can add your news items, like so. So we see that we already have two items that represent a news story in this folder. So let's go ahead and make a third. We're going to right-click Diversity News and then insert News Item. We give this news item a name now. It's going to be the same name you see in the Sitecore content tree here, which is also used for the URL of the actual page. So let's go ahead and just call this Third Diversity Story. And then click OK. We're going to get a new item. Here we see it here. And let's quickly go over the parts of this page that we need to be editing to have a solid story going. The first field you want to fill in is the title field. Let's call it the Third Diversity Story. Again, you can always save your changes as you go along. Let's give it a date. It defaults to today's date, so you can go ahead and just click the day. Note that it goes day, month, year. Text here is the main body of the page of your new news story. In our case, the Third Diversity Story. So you can go ahead and click Show Editor here. And I'll just write up a quick sentence for the demo. And you can copy and paste as you need. The best thing for this editor while entering in new text like this for your story is to always use this editor and not really copy and paste from Word. That looks fine. Let's go ahead and click Accept. And we'll save that change here. So far we've done the title, the date, and the body text. The tease field here is a short sentence regarding your news story. It is used when your story is displayed in different news listing boxes and also on the feature slider. I'm going to go ahead and type a short sentence here. And that's going to be it for my teaser. Save my change. Next, we want to upload a banner image. So this is the image that shows up here when you're going over stories over here on the left side of your slider. So we definitely want to have a banner image available. Just go ahead and click Browse. It may take a second. And you'll be taken to the media library where all the previous images are being held, as well as PDFs. But we want to add a new one. So it's best to upload to a specific folder if your group has one already. In our case, we're going to upload to A-Images. So we're going to click Upload so we can upload a new photo into the media library. Click Browse. and I have a banner image ready. We'll open that up, click upload, and doing this creates an item representing that image in the Sitecore system. So again, we have to lock and edit, save it, and then publish it here. That means the image is live on the web and people can see it. It's available to them now. Now we can just save and close. Click OK at our first window, and our image is there. We're just about there. The next part of this page that you may need to be editing is called Display Option and Featured Current Students, Featured Prospective Students, Featured Journalism. These are all sections represented by a checkbox that if you check off this box, it's going to show on that spotlight page, on that banner. So we have one for diversity here, which we're going to use. Make sure that's checked. Those are the main components of a page, so we can go ahead and just save it now and publish this page. Now we're going to note where the page is located in the Sitecore item tree, diversity news, then third diversity story. We're going to look at the page in another browser now. So here's our news item, third diversity story. That was the title we gave it, the date, and my body text. So this is how you create a new news story on a Sitecore site. And that's the end of our training. Thank you.